Assalamu alaikum kids. Today we are going to start learning the Qaida. Are you excited? Great. Let's begin with our first letter. This is Alif. Can you say Alif with me? Alif. Ba. Can you say ba with me? Ba. Ta. Can you say ta with me? Ta. Ta. Tha. Can you say tha with me? Tha. This is Jeem. Can you say Jeem with me? Jeem. This is Ha. 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 Can you say Ha with me? Ha. Kho. Can you say kho with me? Kho. This is Dal. Can you say Dal with me? Dal. This is Dal. Can you say Dal with me? Dal. Ro. Can you say Ro with me? Ro. Z. Can you say Z with me? Z. Sin. Can you say Sin with me? Sin. This is Sheen. Can you say Sheen with me? Sheen. Sod. Can you say Sod with me? Sod. Dod. Can you say Dod with me? Dod. Do. Can you say Do with me? Do. Zo. Can you say Zo with me? Zo. This is Ain. Ain. Can you say Ain with me? Ain. Ain. Can you say Ain with me? Ain. Fa. This is Fa. Can you say Fa with me? Fa. Qaf. Can you say Qaf with me? Qaf. This is Kaf. Can you say Kaf with me? Kaf. Lam. Can you say Lam with me? Lam. Mim. Can you say Mim with me? Mim. Noon. Can you say Noon with me? Noon. Wow. Can you say wow with me? Wow. Ha. Can you say ha with me? Ha. Hamza. Can you say this with me? Hamza. Hamza. Ya. Can you say this with me? Ya. Ya. Well done, kids. Today we learned the letters Alif to Ya. Remember to practice these letters at home. See you next time for more fun learning. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more fun lessons. Khuda Hafiz. For more